So how many of you are very active on LinkedIn? Type me in the comment box if you are very active. Very active means posting at least 3-4 times a week or every day. I do every day, sometimes twice a day, or sometimes thrice a day. Any thought, any story comes to mind. Let me tell you one thing. Either be active or not active. Somewhat doesn't work. Either you are successful or not successful. You can't be somewhere in the middle. Then you will slip into the minus zone. And this is a gold mine. This is a very, very professional platform. Last 2 years, over 500 Tajurba Gold members came from LinkedIn. Over 500 paid 25,000 rupees. My all one-to-one coaching clients, those are high-ticket coaching clients, they pay me a lot of money and percentage of profit nowadays came from LinkedIn. And they all come. I don't approach anybody without spending any money on any kind of advertisement. This is such a wonderful platform and is getting tighter and tighter every day like Facebook. Because all these platforms, they want to earn money. They want your ads, so they don't want to give you anything organically. But I'll show you that how LinkedIn can change your life, at least whatever time it's available so far. Okay, so let's move on. I want to thank Saransh for this presentation. He's not here, but gratitude is gratitude. He does all my PPTs. So today, 4th of January, the Euro was launched. This is a historic day. I always cover in my wherever I can find that what important thing happened in the history. So this is what happened in the history, and this is a great lesson in the public speaking. Whenever you are invited to speak at some place, search on this platform this day in history. Type on Google this day in history, you will find some interesting event. All right, so number of LinkedIn users 660 million and growing, 200 countries. And most of the profiles here are very, very genuine because you can see their work experience, their qualification, their education, their testimonial. These are real people with the real designation in the companies. So 600 business professionals on 100 millions of those users are active daily. 100 millions are daily active, and 40 million users are decision making roles. Yeah, I mean, you can't go wrong here. 40 million decision makers sitting here for you. You just have to understand how to get to them or how they get to you. More important is that. So brand yourself. It's one tool. There are a lot of other tools I cover like Facebook, Instagram, Quora, writing a book, network like this. There are lots and lot of tools. But today, in these 20 minutes, I'll try to cover only LinkedIn part of it. Because this is also one of the most important. So positioning yourself as an expert. And how do you do that? Let me take you through that. So when you reach all-star rating, that means your profile should be all-star profile, all column filled up. Go to my profile, connect with me tonight, and go through each and every section. Fill up all the sections, and you get this badge that your profile is all-star. And in the search section, LinkedIn shows you more. And this is a virtual networking platform which becomes your real network. People come, become part of Tajurba, they become part of your real friends, real network, real customers. So bring them in from there. 11 ways to generate leads from LinkedIn. Build your personal brand and create influence. It's a gold mine. It gives you 30,000 direct connects. 30,000 direct connects, which you can send the inbox message directly to them. Not to spam, of course. A lot of time I get connection requests, and the next thing is, I am a website developer. I have done 500 websites. Would you like to work with us? Why should I work with you? I don't know you. There is a way to do it. More than 80% of B2B leads sourced from social media come from LinkedIn. 80% of social media leads are coming from LinkedIn these days. My 80% leads are coming from. In fact, my one-to-one coaching, all 100% coming from LinkedIn. All 100% coming from LinkedIn. Over 1 crore rupees revenue from LinkedIn in last 1 year. So here is your first thing, your profile. So your photograph should be very professionally shot. Don't go for something like Steve Jobs or some brand logo or nothing. Your cover image you see here It isn't over until I win and everybody around me wins, and then your profile photo should be very professionally shot with a photographer. And then your headline, Suresh Manchiramani, Business and Sales Growth Specialist. The services you provide. This is where Google will pick you up. This is where the LinkedIn will show you up. So be very, very careful here. Very limited, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 services you can list here. After that, there are more. But this is where everyone looks at you first. So be very careful here, and very clearly what you do should be very clear from this section, that people who can get in touch with you and interested in your service, from here they should be able to see that yes, you can help them. Then the next section is very interesting. Never miss that. That's your wonderful story. The facts tell and the stories sell. Your about. Here you can give your professional background, your personal stories, a little bit of your struggles. Go through this interesting 1960 words to be precise. And go through this story. Don't miss this part. And then the feature, my presidential award, my books, everything comes into this gallery here. Next is your dashboard. How many people viewed your profile, post views, everything, and your activity. That what post you have liked, what you have posted. So this is your dashboard. Your followers. So I have got almost 22,770 followers. I'm about to touch this year. I'll touch 30,000 plus. And then your experience, your qualification, filled up everything. Don't leave everything black. Your education, your licenses, certification, train the trainer, life coach, everything goes in there. Your volunteer experience, I'm president of a 2 trust. And then skills and endorsement. People endorse you for the skills, entrepreneurship, e-commerce, new business development. And the most your important part is your accomplishment, that what all courses you have done, your interest. And this is what happens when people see your profile, they see your testimonial. I'll come to the testimonial part. These are the few sample messages I get from LinkedIn, some business messages. On the left, the lady I have never met, Nishtha Malhotra, she sent me this wonderful message. I'm writing down just to tell you that scrolling down your profile gave me a sense of pride. I really don't know you, but your intro and the testimonials that people wrote about you made me feel right back to you and grace you with a big thank you. I'm not sure if my words can really convey what I mean, but with this mind making everything complicated and one losing control over one own self, someone like you is a blessing in disguise. Unknown people sending messages, it doesn't happen these days. This is only possible if you build your profile in a very, very nice way and very carefully. On the right hand side, business coming, this guy joined my 1-year course, Saurabh Jain, you sent me this message. And this is business inquiry from America, life coaching during pandemic. So a lot of business comes to me through LinkedIn. Now I want to give you a little bit of overview on the post going viral. You don't have to be Salim Javed or a top-notch content writer to write your content. Your simple stories. Your stories of failures, your struggles, we all go through hard times. We all have our successes, piece of successes. We all have some expertise in some area. Combination of all these make stories. We have stories. Note down your bullet point, your 30, 40, 50 stories and connect those stories here. I wrote one story around my struggle when I started up. 251,683 views, 278 coming, 3,528 likes, all organic. Facebook will charge you at least 4 to 5 lakh rupees to show you this kind of result. It will still not be this good because for Facebook profiles and sometimes comments are very, very junk. So you don't have to be great content writer. You can do it yourself. Till the time you can afford a team or content writers who can do this for you. But your own content will come from your heart and you will win there. This India Today featured in May came from LinkedIn. One of the journalists got me noticed and she sent me this request and she did this online interview with me. With the Jay Shetty and Priya Kumar and Milind Jadhav from Mumbai. India Today is a very, very prestigious magazine. So how to use LinkedIn to generate leads? It's repeatable and not too time consuming, just your 15 to 20 minutes every day. No ad spend required, no mass spamming is required here. Just post your content and post comment on other people, the influencers you want to comment on their posts, and slowly when they get comfortable with you, they recognize you as their top fan, then you can send the connection request to them. I'll cover that. So connect, reconnect, and help. So first, help. How you can help people when you are commenting people, when you are sending connection requests, the tone should be, how can I help you? So I gave you example of that website developer. Now supposing that website developer had sent me a message, I've gone through your website, sureshmancharamani.com. It's a wonderful website. I'm very impressed with what your achievement. But sir, there are certain issues there. The website is very slow. There are certain these broken links and some technicalities he pointed out. And if you permit me, I'm happy to do it for you for free, so that I can show you what I'm capable of, and then you can refer me some friends of yours. I would definitely, why not? If the person is trying to help me first, I would definitely take his services and offer some money also if I have to, and then I'll love to connect him with other people. So start connecting with your current end. So if you are new here, nothing to worry. You know you are in your phone book. It gives you, LinkedIn gives you a tool where you can send connection requests to all your contacts already in your address book. So it can connect with your address book, Gmail or Hotmail or whatever email you are using. And then you can click connect to all. Don't do that because a lot of connections are in the phone. Sometimes we don't remember, they don't remember us. And if somebody reports, your account can get suspended for a few days. So better to selectively send connection. Your first 500 connection requests can come from your network. Then LinkedIn start to show you in the search result. You keep getting connection requests and you can start to connect with influencer and decision makers. So it's easy to conduct a search. I mean, you can straight away search on LinkedIn that I'm looking for CEOs living in Gurgaon, CEOs living in Bangalore, and it will give you the list of all the CEOs. And accordingly, you can select who do you want to connect with. Then reach out to them and offer help in some way. Figure out, be creative. When you get a new business card from someone you meet, look them up via LinkedIn and invite them to connect with you. The first thing you do is when you get a card, feed that card into your phone and look them up on LinkedIn and send them a connection request with a nice message. It was pleasure meeting you yesterday at this party or this seminar or that event. Let's connect on LinkedIn and for the mutual benefit. If you are just starting out LinkedIn, you can import your contacts from Outlook. I already told you this. So reach out to former clients also. You can track what your previous customer have been doing since you last saw them. When contacting a former client, instead of sending me first message, make a positive comment. So that's what I said. Start making comments. Slowly, everybody recognize. So people who comment on my post, after 2-3 comments, I recognize them. These are my top fans. And if I get a connection request for them, I accept immediately. Ask question about their new projects and again look for ways to help. This is the keyword here. Look for ways to help. Join LinkedIn groups where your client customers gather. So groups are also very, very important part of LinkedIn. Post relevant content on groups and answer targeted questions. Don't just promote or spam the groups. Be very careful how you conduct yourself in the group. So many group members use LinkedIn as a discussion board and you'll find many questions posted on any given day. Take time each day to answer few so that you get noticed. So your intelligent answers, your intelligent question will get you noticed there. You never know who is reading the information. A lot of members gain a foot in the door because of the expertise they lend to the discussion. दरवाजे जो दया भी ना तोड़ पाए, इस तरीके का कुछ अगर आप डालोगे, you will definitely get noticed. Everybody remembers Lohit's hook, right? So find out if your potential customers contribute to the blog. Learn what events they are attending and even books they are reading. All these things you can find out from their interest, from their posts, from their micro blogs. And no more cold call. Just use the information to outreach. An introduction received via LinkedIn is much warmer than a cold call because it comes with a bit of trust. Even if you can't find a path to connect to someone, sending a direct message. So when you are a paid customer, you can send some direct message, probably I think 15 or 20 or 50 in a month. I have never sent any direct message, so I don't know how many you can send. But it's better than sending a cold mail. That you direct message to a top-notch influencer and a nicely crafted message is better than a cold email or a cold message somewhere else. So when you are checking out a potential customer, you can review their profile, discover their interest, and determine if you have something in common with them. One of the best feature of having a LinkedIn Premium costs only 2,400 rupees a month. All these years I never paid them, but I made so much money from LinkedIn. Out of gratitude, I have started paying them that, okay, this platform is giving me, though I haven't used any paid feature so far. So you can search, it gives you more advanced search by company, relationship, and a lot of, direct email messages you can send. Otherwise, you can't send. If you're not a paid customer, a person who is not connected with you, you can't send direct inbox. So start your own group, create your communities on LinkedIn. It's a wonderful way to create your influence on LinkedIn. And target the decision maker. So search and target the decision maker, comment on their post and like their post, and then send them connection requests and try to somehow build virtual relationship there. Follow up with old leads before target new ones. So sometimes you'll get a lot of messages when you become popular on LinkedIn. So follow up, each and everything is followed up, replied properly, so that then you move to the next one. And automate. Our Shailendra Chaurasia is here. He can teach you how to automate your everything, how to follow up on lead, your customer CRM thing. He's very, very good at that. So put your lead generation autopilot with content marketing. So publish actionable content readers can implement to experience a quick win. So whatever content, it's like I am giving you today, this LinkedIn, small piece of LinkedIn. On this Saturday, I have the CBLM 6 hours class. I'm giving the whole personal branding strategy. Still, there'll be some parts left. How about Facebook groups? I have Facebook group, a Dubai group, where 40,000 members. Tajurba Game Changer, 6,000 members. So I'm creating a lot of communities and groups on Facebook. Everything I'm going to give it to you all. If it can help you, why not? So give. It's critical you continue to engage with your LinkedIn connection, build a relationship. This could be by engaging with their content, sending them messages. That's what going to set the stage for a sales conversation later on, not the first time. All right. So it's only after you have gotten on your prospect radar that you can start thinking about selling to them. Don't start by selling. It's like meeting some lady first time and straight away ask, would you like to get married to me? Without any proper introduction, without knowing about each other interest or anything. So this works same in the offline networking. In online, the etiquettes are same. So here is a nice message. Don't send that template by LinkedIn that let's connect on LinkedIn. Hi, my name is this. Hi, Suresh. I came across your profile on LinkedIn and thought we might both benefit from connecting with each other. If you are open to it, I would love to connect. Thanks. My name is this. If you want to make it even better, look at their profile first, find something interesting, then talk about that part in your message. You can get 1,000 ways you can get creative by sending a connection request. So go premium if you are serious, then pay that 2,400 rupees. I'm sure there are certain benefits. I haven't used it, but you can use it because I've been working on LinkedIn for last 3-4 years. So the stage has come. I get business. I get a lot of messages. So it's difficult for me to go and approach people. As it is, my time, demand on my time is so much with God's grace that it's difficult for me to fulfill that. So connect with me on LinkedIn tonight. Send me a connection request. And if you have liked this session, if I have added a little bit value to it, give me a nice testimonial. I've got 122 testimonials on LinkedIn. Next 30, I'm expecting from you all. Thank you very much for your patience. And it's been a great honor to speak to gold miners today. And a very happy new year. Any questions or key takeaway I would like to know from you guys.
Thank you, sir. Awesome.
Thank you, Asha. All right.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much.
One takeaway, Sarita, ऐसे नहीं.
Sir, I've always been hearing about digital marketing, but today I really got a proper hang about LinkedIn. To be very honest, I don't have an account on LinkedIn. As you were talking to me, I immediately downloaded it on my app and I'm going to do it tonight.
Thank you. Anyone else?
Yeah, I do.
Yes, go ahead, Akela.
Yes, this is already I'm a LinkedIn holder. I'm regularly watching it, and I do connect with you.
Thank you very much. Who else?
Sir, I have a LinkedIn account.
Yes.
but not consistent, as you say. You see, consistency always, pays. And we could understand lot many things which we can do using LinkedIn. So we will definitely improve upon it.
Thank you
sir.
very much. Thank you very much. Who else? Anup Menon.
Yes, sir. Sir, I really learned a lot, sir, from your session today. It was a great learning for me. And I really learned a lot about LinkedIn. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the wonderful learning you gave me.
So send me a connection request, and if I have added value to your time today, a small testimonial or recommendation on LinkedIn will be highly appreciated.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir,
Over
I
to-
already connected on LinkedIn with you. I had already put some small messages on your LinkedIn. I think you had checked it. Thank you, sir.
very much, Srinivas.
I've been on LinkedIn
Presti.
for quite some time, but
Yeah,
never
go
could
ahead.
really utilize it. And today I really, really realized the importance of LinkedIn and how it can be used. Thank you so much for that learning that I've learned from today's.
Thank you. You know, we plan to bring these kind of knowledge session 20 minutes every meeting across Tajurba.
Wonderful.
And then another plan, once app is launched, all the trainings are of course going to go, all these sessions are going to go. But my personal agenda is 365 days. Every day you can download a video from app, 10 minutes knowledge session, knowledge bite every day for you.
Beautiful, sir. Beautiful concept.
So can I come in, sir? Can I add something?
Yeah, Jitendra, go ahead.
Yeah, sir, in case we want to connect with any of the CEOs of any top companies, you can't connect, you cannot write an email to them or you cannot phone them up. But I think one of the best tool to connect with all those top-notch people is through LinkedIn.
Yes.
So I have got a lot of connection through LinkedIn, and I think that is it's a direct connect, and that is definitely going to help me in my business. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Good evening, sir. It was really wonderful. A lot of knowledge I got it from LinkedIn. In fact, I'm also a member of the LinkedIn, but I was not knowing so much benefits of the LinkedIn. Thank you so much. It was really a wonderful talk from you.
And I've concised this 6-hour session in just 20 minutes. There is a lot more to it. Go ahead, explore it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Rakesh here.
Yeah, Rakesh.
Yeah, it was a wonderful insight into LinkedIn, and you really linked us to the LinkedIn. Using this presentation, we can definitely link ourselves to that. And I've been attending your YouTube every night, 9:30 meetings, but this was one best presentation I have seen today. It was really wonderful to have.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Please give a huge round of applause to Suresh for his wonderful presentation. Time well spent.
Thank you very much.